In order to activate your T-Mobile eSIM, you're gonna have to simply go to your settings. Now once you go to settings, you're gonna have to simply tap on mobile service. Now once you do that, what we're gonna have to do is simply scroll down, and as you can see, we have this option which is add eSIM. So simply tap on that, and then you're gonna have two options again. So you can simply transfer from nearby iPhone, or you can simply use the QR code to scan your T-Mobile eSIM card. So we're gonna have to simply tap on that, and then we're gonna have to simply scan the QR code, or if you want, you can simply enter the details manually, as you can see at the bottom. So simply tap on that, and as you can see here, we're gonna have to add the address, the activation code, and then simply tap on next in the top right corner, and basically that's it. Now what I showed you is on iPhone, and it's pretty similar on Android phones too. So if you want to try it out on Android, you can do the same process, and make sure to leave a comment if this video helped you. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.